In this video, I'll show you how you can fix CS2, high ping and packet loss. Now the first thing I suggest you do is you come here and search for View Network Connections, right click on your internet and go to Properties, find the protocol version 4 and double click, use the following DNS and type in 8888-8844, press OK and try this one and see if that works. If this still doesn't work, you can right click on Counter-Strike, head over to Properties, Launch Options, and you're gonna copy this one right here. I'm gonna put this in the description, so just copy and paste this in here and try and launch with this one. See if that works, and if it still doesn't, you can come here and search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here type ipconfig space /flush DNS, then type netsh space rinsock space reset, and then type ipconfig space /renew, press enter, and then this should also help. After you've done this, you should restart your PC and check now. After that, if nothing is working, you can go to Properties, Install Files, Verify Integrity of Game Files, and after that, head over to Browse, Game, Bin, Windows, right click and go to Properties on your CS2.exe, Compatibility, and activate these two. After you've done all of this, it should hopefully work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.